In this video, we're diving deep into the 2025 Dodge Ram Vintage Pickup, a nod to the iconic trucks of the past, but with modern flair. First, let's talk about the exterior. The design pays homage to the classic Ram trucks, featuring sharp lines, a bold front grille, and a signature Ram badge that screams power. The 2025 model blends retro charm with modern sophistication. The body is sleek, with muscular fenders and aggressive wheel arches. The paint options are rich, offering a range of timeless colors, and the LED headlights and taillights are a perfect mix of vintage appeal and contemporary style. Now, stepping inside, the interior is where modern technology meets comfort. The dashboard is designed with vintage touches like wood accents and circular dials, but the tech is all future-forward. A large, high-definition touchscreen sits center stage, complete with the latest Uconnect system, which makes controlling everything from the navigation to the climate control system incredibly intuitive. The seats are plush, offering both leather and fabric options with heating and cooling capabilities. There's plenty of space in the cabin, with seating for up to 6, and a feeling of openness thanks to the panoramic sunroof. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Dodge Ram Vintage Pickup delivers a powerful ride. Under the hood, you have options ranging from a robust V6 to a high-performance V8, making it an ideal choice for both work and play. Whether you're towing heavy loads or cruising on the highway, the Ram offers a smooth, stable ride with impressive towing capacity. The truck features adaptive suspension to handle rough terrains, ensuring a comfortable experience even on uneven roads. Now, pricing. The 2025 Dodge Ram Vintage Pickup starts at around $35,000, with higher trims going up to $50,000 or more depending on the features you choose. It offers great value when you consider the performance, luxury interior, and classic design elements. This truck really balances both the nostalgia of vintage trucks and the needs of the modern driver, making it a great option for anyone looking for a reliable, stylish pickup. If you're in the market for a truck that combines history with innovation, the 2025 Dodge Ram Vintage Pickup is definitely worth considering. Let me know in the comments what you think about this new model, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews.